Jersey number 3, Serkenya to number 24. Clarito number 24, lifting the ball. Clarito, batter sa whistle. All by jersey number 5. Magandang gabi kay Sir Moralya ng PTM. Sir, first free throw, basket, Clarito number 24. Good luck tayo, all 8. Last free throw by Clarito number 24, ready jumper. Basket. 10 favor. Number 7. Dribbling the ball by jersey number 7. Manayan. Harass by Secreto. Chest pass. Pass inside. Biggest man. Block. Rebound by number 13. To number 1. Parbo. Pass to number 24. Clarito. Using the board. Basket. Clarito number 24. 1 minute and 45. Because man to number 7. Manayan number 7. Top of the key. To number 5. Kasabar. Double T. Hot ball. Substitute. 98. Laredo. Chamber. 1 minute and 33. 14 seconds shot clock. Laredo number 98. Batter solution. 3 seconds violation. Number 98. Si Guzman. 4-2. Dawood. Kasabar. Pass to Manayan. Manayan. Nakabagong shot. Batter solution. Offensive foul. Offensive foul number 7. Offensive foul. First foul and wala yung offensive. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Number 3 to number 24. 1 minute and 25. 1 minute and 20. Number 3. Serkenya. Same ball. 1 minute and 15. Lorenzo to number 13. Fisher. Long pass. Secreto. Step back. Batter solution. 3 seconds violation. Called on the referee. Serkenya number 3. 1 minute and 9 remaining time. Number 7 to number 5. Kasabar. Dribbling the ball by Kasabar number 5. Double team. To number 98. Running jump shot. Laredo. No good. Because pan number 11. To Manayan number 7. 10 seconds shot back. Manayan number 7. Skill. Serkenya. Lorenzo. Serkenya. Number 0. Bounce pass. Lorenzo. Serkenya. 40. Kapos. Rebound by Di Guzman. 40. Amantile. Pass break. Di Guzman. Batter solution. Traveling violation. 35 seconds. Secreto to number 24. Clarito. 30. Cross the lane. Clarito. Side step. Block. Manayan in the rebound. 25. Same ball. 23 seconds. 20. Shot clock down. Pantile. Kasabar. Ready to three. Kasabar. Short. Fisher in the rebound. 15. Gaya. Fisher number 13. And 5.